Welcome to Wonderslate. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. Topic for today's video is Career in Civil Services. Should one opt for a career in civil services? A career in civil services is highly aspirational, challenging, and often highly misunderstood. What is civil services? There are immense prestige and power attached to the services, and one travel the lengths and breadths of the country, meeting different types of people, often listening to their problems, and come up with solutions to resolve those problems. Unlike regular undergraduate courses, civil service is a lifetime career choice. A civil servant on different posts basically implements the laws and policies that are made by elected leaders, thus playing a major role in the progress and development of the state. Career opportunities in civil services. The entry into the state civil services is through a competitive examination conducted by the respective State Public Service Commission. Civil services include the three All India services, that is, IAS, Indian Administrative Services, IPS, Indian Police Services, and IFOS, Indian Forest Services, and more than 15 central services including IFS, Indian Foreign Services, IRS, Indian Revenue Services, IA&AS, Indian Audit and Account Services, and Indian Railway Services, amongst other coveted services. If you have following aspirations, then you can opt for a career in civil services. Wanting to contribute to nation building, public services are what make the state visible to its citizens. Public services are citizens' direct line to the government. They make the state tangible through almost daily interaction, direct or indirect. Public services have played a pivotal role in the state and nation building. Wanting to give back to society. Giving back to the community or society is recognizing that you have been empowered to empower others, and it is a moral obligation. There is no government law that obliges its citizens to be charitable. Wanting to contribute to better public governance and policy making. Public governance refers to the formal and informal arrangements that determine how public decisions are made and how public actions are carried out, from the perspective of maintaining a country's constitutional values when facing changing problems and environments. Qualities one must possess to be able to pursue a career in civil services effectively. Often civil servants would be pressurized by one stakeholder or the other to act in a certain way, but he or she must remain committed to the public good and the Indian Constitution. Postings in Tier 2 and Tier 3 towns are quite commonplace in All India Services ESP for the first phase of one's career. Similarly, while the salaries in civil services would afford one a comfortable lifestyle but are not comparable to the private sector. Thus, if one seeks a lavish lifestyle, then one should seriously reconsider his or her decision to pursue a career in civil services. Governance structures by their very nature imbibe social trust and social capital. Hence, large expendable state power and public resources are placed under the discretionary charge of officers. Thus, officers must have integrity while utilizing such discretionary powers and resources. Civil servants are expected to implement the Indian Constitution and are oath-bound to it. Thus, if one believes in such ideals, there is bound to be low cognitive dissonance while pursuing a career in civil services. Interest in society, economy, and other domains which have a direct or indirect impact on public governance and policy making. Although officers are trained in these domains, natural interest and inclination towards these domains is bound to help an officer. Factors that shouldn't be the trigger points to pursue a career in civil services. The status associated with civil services often lures many towards this career. However, getting into civil services for such extrinsic factors may soon wear off and one may feel demotivated while pursuing a career in civil services. If these resources and powers are utilized with malafide intentions, it can result in huge damage to the society, nation, and even to the individual officer in the long run. Increasingly, in the era of good governance and digital India, mechanisms are being put in place to ensure probity in governance and ethical actions on part of officers. Thus, it is increasingly difficult to utilize their discretionary powers in malafide way. Hope this helped in you understanding some of the basic points to consider when choosing the career in civil services. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any suggestion for us, feel free to leave comments. If you liked the video and want to see more of it, hit the thumbs up and don't forget to click on subscribe button to get more updates of the future videos.